Being a powerful, genuine, BIM-based CAFM CMMS solution, ArchiFM.net includes full maintenance management capabilities, that is, handling breakdown, planned, and conditional maintenance management issues. Let's start with the introduction of the Breakdown Maintenance Management module. On the left, you can follow the workflow, which shows the process of how a breakdown event is handled all the way from its start when the breakdown event is reported until the point when the event is closed. The whole process starts with the making of a breakdown report. Here, the person reporting an event has an intuitive surface where all important info, such as name, contact points, and problem found, can be given, thus generating a new request stored in the database with its request number. Now comes the maintenance worker's turn. Being responsible for handling breakdown issues, this person, upon selecting the particular event from the list, decides on the way of handling the actual problem. When planning the method of completing a breakdown event, there are templates available that largely ease the operator's job. All important info needed to solve the problem can be selected from a prepared template, allowing you to set priorities, work codes, and the equipment where the problem occurs. Also, here you can define the location of the problem, plus select the supplier once a subcontractor is responsible for maintaining a particular piece of equipment. Following this method, you can also assign the craftsman to do the job himself. Also, you can set the timing, when to start the job, calculate costs, and assign contracts based on which cost calculations need to be made. The assignment process is closed with approval. Then the request can be saved, meaning it has been forwarded for further processing. Once the request is approved, its color will change in the list, meaning that the work order can be created. Here is an example of a work order with the important data allowing the craftsman to complete his task. This work order can be transformed into a PDF file, and it can be handed over to the person during the task with a hard copy on paper. You can, however, use ArchiFM.net's mobile solution, which allows you to handle digital work orders anywhere. With ArchiFM.net mobile solutions, all jobs can be easily scheduled and handled through a tablet on the spot, so there's no need to hassle with papers anymore. Starting and finalizing jobs are now easier than ever with just one click. When doing so, all important info can be given, such as equipment, type and group, technical parameters, work done, additional remarks, etc. In addition to this, even signatures can be entered approving the job done. So in fact, a duly signed work order can be created in electronic form on site. When reporting back, this work order will immediately become available in the central database, thus significantly shortening the time requested for handling breakdown events. The powerful planned maintenance capabilities built in the software makes ArchiFM.net a robust, complete maintenance management system meeting all industry requirements. Creating maintenance plans can be done in the calendar view. To generate an event, first you have to select the maintenance job from the list of templates. Now let's select cleaning, for example. When doing this, we can set different parameters for the job, define the work code, then take care of scheduling. Define its start and end date. You can define whether this schedule should be periodic, or if it occurs just once a year. For now, we'll set it to be periodic, to be created every weekday. Following this, you have the option to define cost calculation, methods, and then the selected equipment can be added to the work order. You have the option to select even a group of equipment to be added to one work order. When finishing this planning process, all created events are grouped in one place. They can be viewed and tracked in the event calendar. Start dates can be very easily be changed here, and this can be done with just a drag and drop.